Hello everyone, this is Sam Spade doing a quick introduction to the Choose Your Own Adventure tutorials. This is actually recorded after both of the tutorials are done, but in watching them, I felt like they needed an introduction, that I had missed a couple key things in recording them. So here we go. Part 1 is about setup. It's necessary if you want to follow along with what I'm doing, but not really the point. In fact, I would almost recommend that you do it differently. Make your room a different size, experiment with your own buttons. Just make it a little bit differently. Again, the goal of part 1 is really just to give you a framework to put the core of the tutorial into context. And part 2 is the core of that tutorial. It's looking at the JSON data, looking at how it's structured, and then bringing that data into GameMaker and hooking everything up. And really the motivation for me doing this intro comes from me editing the second part, which is that I realized in doing that it requires a basic understanding of a bunch of different things that I really just don't cover. For example, it assumes a basic familiarity with the IDE and functions in 2.3. It assumes a solid understanding of data structures, how to do chained accessors, with statements and for loops, and of course, JSON itself. Hopefully it goes without saying, but you have to watch the 3 JSON tutorials for this to make any sense at all, I think. I'm not covering what JSON is or really how to import it. It's about what you do with the data once you have imported it, and how you can interact with that data in an interesting way. Anyways, that's not to scare anyone off. The main function that hooks all of the JSON data into GameMaker is really like 10 to 20 lines of code depending upon how you count it. So it's not super complicated. It just is built upon a lot of other things. I'll put links to tutorials on some of these other ideas down below. And that's it. Thanks for watching.